Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about creating outlines inside Canva. If you're a Canva user, you should know that you can create an outline around any text, photo, or even around a graphic. The process is going to be similar, but at the same time, it's a little bit different for each item. So let's start first with text. I have this text of the word museum, and I want to create an outline around the letters. So to do that, I'm just going to select museum. I'm going to click on effects, and now I have some options. So a couple things I could do. There's this option to lift, which helps it stand out a little bit more. There's also shadow, which is one that I use quite a bit. With shadow, I just make that shadow dark, and I up the transparency just so it shows up a little bit better. But for outline, just select this option that says outline. Now from here, we can change the outline color, and we can change the thickness of that outline. So it's going to be really good if you just want your text to stand out a little bit better. It works good for light text on a light background, kind of what we're looking at right over here. Now for a photo, it's going to be a little bit different because with text, you'll notice that it says effects. When I click on photo, I don't have effects. So what I'll have to do is select edit. Now again, here when I select edit, there's still no effects, but what I'm going to do is to choose this option that says shadows. Okay, here there are shadows. I can drop a shadow like around this item if I want. But since we're talking about outlines, let's go ahead and create an outline around the outside of this photo. There we go. So now I have a black outline around the outside of this photo. And of course, just like the text, I can make that outline bigger. I can change the thickness. I can also adjust the intensity of that outline as well. Okay, so we've done text, we've done photo. Now let's take this one. This is going to be a graphic. It's going to work the same exact way. We just select it. Again, I'm going to click edit. This time we'll do outline. I just want to play around with this just a little bit, kind of like that, so it stands out a little bit better. Now you might be thinking, what are some situations where you want to have an outline around a graphic? Here's a map of New York. You can see that I want to point out that this building is a museum. It's not really, but you get the idea. So what I'm going to do now is to select this. I'm going to choose edit, and this time I'm going to add an outline around that building. There we go. I can make that size a little bit more thick. Okay, and now it stands out a little bit better. So it's that easy. All you do is adjust any item inside Canva, and you can easily create an outline. So that's it. If you like this video, please feel free to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. And if you really love what I'm doing, feel free to hit that thanks button to leave a donation. Thank you again for watching, and have a great night.